Uh, Hi everyone. So this is to show proof of Ubuntu environment and to explore it. And coming down to my terminal, which I was able to go through the process. So following the instructions, I was able to go into VI and create a welcome file and cutting it, which shows the instructions of the text I was asked to impute. The same thing to Nano. I was able to do that. And though Nano was a bit difficult for me to understand, and but I successfully, through rigorous practice, I was able to impute this. I prefer VI because it's very fast and at the same time, the command is easier for someone to understand. Okay, so and this brings the whole environment in which I was in, and though I do not really understand what all these numbers are, then I think it's step by step. Oh, I noticed that in VI there are two commands, and we have the command mode and the insert mode. Now, the command mode helps to delete text, copy and paste, or move cursors. That's where commands are being executed. You can type or write in the command mode. But in insert mode, which is the second mode, we have where you can edit, type, or write text, edit files or write text. So those are the two command mode we have in VI. Now, one of the most one of the important we were asked to do, important command we were asked to execute is to change a user or make um admin is to make admin a pseudo user. And I was able to do that, but was a difficult process because I had to follow the process over and over again. So using this command, I was able to make as admin a sudo group user. And this shows that its admin is also, so this indicates that too. This is that admin is a sudo user. Okay. And the question comes that how is man and info pages, how does it help administrators? Now, the man and info pages help Linux administrators by providing built-in documentation for commands, programs, and system configuration. It's direct inside the Linux system. So now this helps them to refresh or to get to know how the command is being used or the instructions based on how the command works. So it explains in details instead of them going out of the Linux system to make research or to search. And that is it about man and info documents. Also to show this is I was able to update and upgrade the system. So this shows the upgrade, the updates. This is the upgrade using this command, sudo apt update. It updated the system and also sudo apt upgraded the system of the Linux system. Up. And this helps the system works function. And there was also what we were asked to install for future use. The question we were asked to also explain was environment and user variables. It's important. Now, environment and user variables are important in Linux because they store informations that the operating system uses. It's not only the operating system, programs, the programs and the operating system use to run the system correctly and efficiently. Now, these variables define settings and controls how the system behaves for each user and for system as a whole. Now, each user, for instance, if a user is created or admin user account is created, now it's this environment variables and the user variables that arrange each of these informations in a correct manner so that the system operating system can use it correctly. Thank you. Now, what I forgot to mention is the two types of mode in VI. And we have the command mode, we have the insert mode. The command mode is where the commands are being executed. It allows to copy, paste, or move the cursor on the command in the command mode. We also have the insert mode, which allows you to edit a file or write or type into a file. So these are the two types of VI mode. Thank you.